In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI Music's Get Stems feature. If you've ever wanted to separate a song into vocals and instruments for remixing, karaoke, or detailed mixing, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it inside Suno. Start by heading to suno.com. Once the site loads, click Sign In. You'll land on your profile area. Click Account to proceed. From here, choose Email to complete sign-in. Use whichever sign-in method you prefer and make sure you're using the account tied to your Suno project so everything stays in one place. After you're in, click Create and pick the song you want to work with. This can be a track you just generated or one from your library. On the Songs card, look for the three dots menu and click it. In that menu, select Get Stems. Note that this feature requires a pro plan and it consumes credits, so check that you have an active plan and enough credits before continuing. You'll see the extraction options. Click Extract, which uses 10 credits for the operation. Here you can choose to extract all detected stems or just the vocals and the instrumental. Stems are the individual audio components of a mix, so picking all detected stems gives you the most flexibility, while the vocals and instrumental option is perfect for quick acapellas or backing tracks. Next, choose your download format. Click MP3 if you want a smaller file that's easy to share. You can also pick WAV for higher quality, lossless audio, or WAV, tempo locked, if you want the files aligned to a consistent tempo for smoother use in a DAW or sampler. Choose the format that best matches your workflow and storage needs. If your song has multiple takes, you'll also see versions. Click on version 2 if that's the one you'd like to stem. Versions are alternate renders of the same prompt, so pick the one that sounds closest to your vision. When the stems are ready, you'll have clear download choices. You can download the vocal only if you need an a cappella, or choose instrumental only if you want a clean backing track. If you plan to mix, remix, or archive everything, select Download All to grab every available stem in one go. You can also open the results in the studio for further editing and organization without leaving Suno. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly isolate parts of any Suno track and get production-ready files tailored to your needs.